Okay, here we've got a year 2000 2.2 Toyota Camry. All week I've been battling with an alarm that's been going off in the car. I'll show you straight away what that is. Okay, so that's an adjuster there for, if I can just get some focus, a speed alert, and that is that's where the alarm sound comes from. Okay, so let's see how I'm going to do this. So if I press on that button there, then we might see something that'll increase. Okay, and that's your speed at which the alarm will go off. Okay, so I do 100 kilometers an hour. Okay, so it goes up to 130 and then it's off. I do 100 kilometers an hour, so I would probably set it at 105. Okay, so I'm just pushing that button there. Okay, and that's setting the speed alarm. So I'll put it down to 40. Not sure how it got there. I may have been playing around with it. I need reading glasses. So anyway, I could have put it on that setting last week, and from Monday to Thursday, the alarm was going off. So I'll show what the alarm is now. Okay, so there it is. Yeah, so it was a bit of a difficult one to diagnose. I've got this GPS here. I also run this dash cam. It's got it's got a camera on the back of the car too, just for good luck. I did buy this for somebody else, but well, they don't want it, and so I just I keep it going. I look like a policeman with my GPS and my dash cam and the camera in the back, but anyway, you know, I spent the money, and you know, I just keep it running. It just means that I don't have to check my mirrors so often. You know, I can just look straight ahead, and if anything happens, if any accident happens, then hopefully this will be working and it'll be on that, so I don't really worry so much, I suppose. I also have this e-toll tag to use the toll roads if I want to. I don't, because I don't use them anyway, too expensive. You know, a bit like the machinery here, you know, you want a Trans Am or something, you know, it's going to cost you 70,000. Even a Beetle, 1970s Beetle, costs $14,000 or more. Actually more like 18 to 20,000. You know, a truck, an American style truck, you know, you're looking at close to 30 or more thousand. And you know, these toys that people like, it's just pretty well unaffordable here. But anyway, I digress. Okay, so I've got these running, and I thought, well, you know, it's going to be one of these. It's going to be the toll or the dash cam or the GPS. And what I did was I switched them to the back of the car and brought some forward, but it kept on coming from the same area in the console. You know, I couldn't believe it. I turned my head, so my ears were pointing the same way, and it wasn't coming from the back of the car where the technology was, coming from the front. And yeah, I thought I'd wait until the weekend. Luckily, today's Friday and I've got a roster day off work. And the previous owner had the manuals in the glove box, and I just went through and it had something on, you know, overspeed alarm. So that's what it is. But anyway, this is kind of a long video, like a lot of my videos. I know they're not, you know, the highest of quality or anything like that, but that's not the department. That's not my forte. I'm more of a grunge type of producer. So anyway, you do get the full story with me at least. And so, you know, I suppose the moral of this video is to say that if you are getting a noise within the cab, you know, this is a possibility. This could be what it is. It's just an overspeed sensor, and somebody's pushed some buttons and put the overspeed sensor down to 40. You know, I mean, God knows why. Maybe if you're a learner or something like that and you're told not to go over 40 and you're learning on private property, then, you know, that could be something, that could be a reason why they would have a 40 kilometre overspeed setting on the overspeed device. So, you know, and also with this is a year 2000, so with newer cars, you know, that could be a possibility to fix your beeping noise inside your cab. I'm assuming that newer cars have a similar type of device. But anyway, I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.